Timberjack 60 Series skidders. 35 years in the making, with more than 150 improvements over the highly successful C Series. The all-new 360 and 460 have been built to meet the challenges of today's market and to satisfy the needs of the next generation of logging contractors. Designed from the operator's station outward to be an extension of the operator himself, a powerful, productive, and reliable machine. And these new machines have been proven in thousands of hours of field testing in a wide range of conditions and applications. Models 360 and 460, cable and single arch grapples. This video takes you on a complete walk around to show and explain the significant new features, advantages, and benefits of this new family of skidders from Timberjack. We'll focus on 4 key areas: performance, comfort, reliability, and service access. Let's start with performance. There are major improvements everywhere in the powertrain, hydraulic system, weight and balance and ground pressures, axles, brakes, arch and grapples, and winches. The powertrain. Starting with the engine, we've kept the quiet and fuel-efficient Cummins engines. The 6BTA 174 horsepower in the 460, the same engine as in the 450C, and the Cummins 6BT engine with 148 horsepower in the 360. Making the most of the high-torque rise engines is the new modulated power shift transmission. And according to most of the prototype test operators, this may be the single most popular and important new feature. The key feature of this soft shift transmission is the 6 forward speeds and 3 reverse that provide 3 working speeds regardless of the tire size selected. Compared to C Series skidders, which had 4 speeds forward, the 6 forward speeds of the 360 and 460 provide 3 working gears where previously there were only 2. This allows the operator to fine-tune his skidder's performance by selecting his working speed range according to the diameter of the tires on the machine and the load and terrain conditions. This translates into faster cycles and increased productivity on a wider range of tire sizes. The transmission is controlled with the electronic gear selector, or EGS. It needs only a bump to shift gears up or down, and its internal memory remembers the last gear used when changing from forward to reverse. As one operator has said, you just pick one and you go. The modulated soft shift clutch engagement is easy on the gears and the operator when the machine is pulling and shifting under big loads. The transmission D-clutch switch allows the operator to select the transmission disconnect function that is activated by applying the foot brake. For grapple skidder operations, this can greatly improve the productivity by allowing maximum hydraulic system flow when needed. The new closed-center hydraulic system with piston pump delivers instant power on demand and faster speeds to all hydraulic functions for improved performance. Considerably faster hydraulics. For example, compared to the 380C single arch grapple, the new Timberjack 360 single arch is faster in every category. Grapple close is 55% faster. Grapple open, nearly 50% faster. Arch raise, 35% faster, and so on. And these faster hydraulic functions are comparable in the 460 single arch grapple machines. The constant pressure grapple circuit automatically adjusts the grapple tong closed pressure. Put the grapple joystick in the closed detent position, and the hydraulic system automatically maintains easy load control all the way to the landing. The closed center hydraulics allow for simultaneous use of the steering and dozer functions, making it much easier decking logs on the landing. Another increase in speed and productivity. The new 360 and 460 Timberjack skidders have much improved overall weight distribution and balance. This is a key element that is a great improvement over the C Series, sets the standard for the industry, and helps the logger. A better balanced machine results in reduced impact on sensitive logging sites. More weight up front provides a better balance when pulling a load. and this can improve performance everywhere from swamps to rough ground. Tire options on the 460 include 28L by 26 as standard. As optional, 23.1 by 26, 24.5 by 32, and 30.5 by 32. Tire options on the 360 include 23.1 by 26 as standard, and as optional, 18.4 by 34, 28L by 26, 24.5 by 32, and 30.5 by 32. Reversible rims allow the track of selected tires to be adjusted to suit operating conditions, such as thinning and selective logging. Wide track axles are available on both models and are required for some of the bigger and wider tires. A common rim mounting pattern allows them to be installed on either standard or wide track axles. The no-spin front axle and diff-lock rear axle combination allows the skidder to maneuver more easily. This can help to reduce the resistance to turning and ground disturbance. The transmission-mounted oil-cooled multiple-disc service brake is power-assisted. It is spring-on and hydraulic off. Brake activation is automatic if there is a loss of hydraulic pressure. And the new graphite brake pad extends lining life compared to conventional brake materials. The parking brake is easy to use, conveniently located right on the dash. Simply push the switch to activate the parking brake, or pull the switch to release. Cable models feature a purpose-built rear frame with a stronger rear butt pan area and integral rolled fenders to provide maximum protection. Like the grapple models, the relocation of the fuel tank to the front frame provides impressive rear visibility to the load. Both the 360 and 460 cable models use the T40D winch with a 40,000-pound rated braking capacity. The 460 model is available with the T60 winch as an option. The wet brake and wet clutch features are highly valued by customers for their reliability. Comfort. The only word that describes working in a 360 or 460 Timberjack skidder. A comfortable operator is a happy and productive operator. There has been very obvious improvements in the operator station. In the spacious cab, visibility, in comfort and function, and in the ergonomic controls. First of all, the cab is incredibly spacious, more than 34% larger than the C-Series. The unitized sealed cab provides a comfortable, controlled environment, and the high-capacity heater air conditioner adds to overall operator comfort, leading to higher productivity. There is no comparison to other cabs. This operator station is state-of-the-art for efficiency and ergonomic design. The first thing you notice when you sit in the fully adjustable cloth suspension seat is the incredible visibility in all directions, forward, down to the dozer blade, through the side windows, and to the load at the rear. Sitting there, you notice that the seat is angled slightly, 15 degrees toward the transmission, grapple, and winch controls for a better position for easy loading and driving. And there's more than enough legroom with a flat floor and more elbow room. Move your hand slightly to your right to reach the electronic gear selector control. The EGS controls the 6 speeds forward, 3 reverse, and needs only a bump to move the skidder from one gear to the next. Operation couldn't be easier. Below, the brake pedal is centered in the cab, and the throttle pedal is positioned for comfortable operation. And the automotive-style Orbitrol steering provides precise skidder control. The new instrument panel is very user-friendly. Conventional gauge packages are standard on most models, while the electronic monitor is standard on the 460 grapple and optional on all other models. The controls are all new. Joystick grapple controls have been redesigned for operation with a minimum of effort for one hand instead of two. Mirrors for monitoring the load without turning, the horn on the console, and the new overhead console with dome lights washer wiper control, and AM/FM cassette stereo standard in the enclosed cab models. The passive night lighting inside combines with optional outside working lights to turn night into day, with 8 halogen working lights on top of the cab and 2 driving lights in front. When you add it all up, the extra room for the first aid kit, your lunch, the comfortable position and controls, plus the high-capacity heater air conditioner, it all adds up to increased comfort and productivity over a full workday, right to the end of the shift. For toughness and reliability, the Timberjack C-Series is a tough act to follow. But field testing of the 360 and 460 models have shown them to be as tough and tougher, with major improvements in cooling, drive lines, transmission, hydraulic system. The new 60 Series skidders have a much improved engine cooling system for performance in hot climates with more than 14% more cooling capacity. Driveline angles in the 360 and 460 have been reduced by tilting the axle mounts to improve driveline life while maintaining superior ground clearances. And in the transmission, the soft clutch engagement, added speed selections, and electronic shift management will increase the life of the transmission. The transmission has a clutch for the winch drive, and as a result, the drive shaft does not turn continuously. The shaft only turns when the winch is used, resulting in greatly extended winch shaft life and a quieter machine. The new hydraulic cylinder design features high-quality finish on the sealing surfaces of the barrel and the rod. Dry rod seal technology and corrosion-resistant rods will result in less machine downtime because of leaking cylinders. ORS fittings on the hydraulic system pressure lines provide a much more reliable seal than JIC style, especially at higher pressures. New dozer cylinders feature a sliding cover to protect the cylinder rod from impacts, translating into longer cylinder rod life and lower maintenance costs. The new Timberjack 360 and 460 are the best skidders we've ever built, designed Timberjack tough for sustained performance. And to protect your investment, we designed in superior service access in these areas: fluid reservoirs, ground level servicing, the tilt cab, monitor, and security. Servicing deserves top billing in the list of important buying criteria. For operators used to crawling around and under their machines on a daily basis, it's a big issue. Recognizing this, we've made Timberjack 360/460 skidders as easy as possible to service and maintain. The key is the ease of access. Filler caps for the transmission fluid, hydraulic oil, and radiator surge tanks are positioned close together to save time on daily maintenance. You'll find ground level service with numerous hydraulic check ports, easy access to lubrication fittings, and ground level fueling of the saddle tanks. The air conditioner air recirculation filters are conveniently located inside the cab, as is the fuse box. The air conditioning system can be serviced easily behind the cab, and the air intake filter can be cleaned at ground level by opening the right-hand door. This is the very first tilt cab on a skidder, providing easy access to the transmission, hydraulic pumps and hoses, to clean out debris and trash buildup, and to carry out routine inspections. With a hand pump conveniently located in the engine compartment, the cab can be raised 45 degrees in just a few minutes. Located in the center of the dash, the Timberjack 60 Series electronic monitor tracks the performance of all key components and makes troubleshooting a breeze. The monitor displays information on the operating condition of the machine elements, as well as detecting and alerting the operator to potential problems as soon as they arise, before they become big problems. The system test function is easy to use. The error codes displayed can tell the operator or serviceman exactly where a problem has occurred, such as a short in an electrical component, or when the air filter is restricting airflow and needs to be cleaned or changed. There are more than 22 separate areas that are constantly monitored as the skidder works. The operator can perform diagnostics quickly and easily from his seat. No need for special tools. If an error code flashes, the operator can fix it himself or give the error code number to a serviceman, and he can then advise on service needs or bring the appropriate tools and replacement parts to the machine site. This is machine servicing in the 21st century. We've added many security features to Timberjack 360 and 460 skidders. Features customers have asked for to protect their investment. The Key Start, to restrict operation to authorized personnel. Lockable covers and panels, and lockable filler caps on all reservoirs, and full Lexan cabs to protect the operator. As you learn more about the many new features found in the new 360 and 460 Timberjack skidders, you'll discover that each one is designed to improve and enhance the value to the customer. Through performance and productivity on the job. Operator comfort, to attract and keep good operators. Reliability, for sustained performance. And service access, to protect their investment. These are Timberjack machines built on success, the success of previous generations, by the world leader in skidder technology. Built to meet the needs of today's loggers with plenty of capacity to meet the needs and the challenge of the new forestry.